everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 blue screen stop code error thread stuck in device driver. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, if you're able to boot into the automatic repair utility, just select advanced options and then go underneath troubleshoot. However, I'm just going to access it by just restarting my computer. I held down the shift key while selecting restart. And I'm going to go underneath advanced options through this menu. But again, you can access this as well if your computer does a hard power off 3 times in a row. Just select advanced options and it will take you to this page. And you want to select where it says startup settings and then select where it says restart. You want to tap the F5 key on your keyboard to enter or enable safe mode with networking. Now that we're in safe mode, open up the search menu, type in device manager, best match, I'll come back with device manager. So go ahead and open that up. And you want to expand the display adapter section. So you may have an Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD display driver dedicated graphics card listed under here. You want to right click on it and select disable device and select yes. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And it should boot into Windows normally. So then once you're back into Windows here, if you open up the search menu, type in Device Manager, right click on whatever display adapter you disabled and select Enable Device. And then you want to go ahead and actually update the driver and browse your computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then select a specific one for the manufacturer in here. I would not do a basic display adapter unless you had no other options in here. Select Next. And then select Close. You may also want to go on to the manufacturer's website, whether it be Intel or AMD or NVIDIA, and then download the latest display drivers directly from the manufacturer. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.